Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 ML350 4MATIC. This one is a palladium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, coming around back, we've got our ML350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate. They said the all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you Harman Kardon sound system, eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you lane assist and blind spot assist, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This ML350 has 52,837 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350, check out feldmannimports.com.